Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you're keeping fine and safe in the pandemic situation and staying at home, studying or preparing ourselves for the examinations. I'm sure you are eagerly waiting for the job notifications to be out. Yes, I'm correct. You are waiting for the job notification, and here I am. In this video I'm going to discuss about the job notification of Bpsc AAO Recruitment 2021. Now the last date to apply is extended for 138 Assistant Audit Officer post at Bpsc, that is Bihar Public Service Commission. This has extended the last date to apply for Bpsc Assistant Audit Officer recruitment for this year, that is 2021, in its official website. You can check the eligibility criteria and the other details that I'm going to give you here. The BP Assistant Audit Officer Recruitment 2021 notification is issued by Bpsc, that is Bihar Public Service Commission, which has extended the last date to apply online for Bpsc Assistant Auditor Officer Recruitment for 2021. So you can check online before 29th June 2021. The applications will close up till June. The corrigendum regarding the extension of the last date on its official website bpsc.bih.nic.in is there. You can check out the notification, which has been increased by 1 p. It had earlier invited online applications for 138 posts for Assistant Audit Officer Bihar Audit Service in Audit Directorate under Finance Department, Government of Bihar. Candidates with educational qualification as graduate with any one of the subjects including commerce, economics or mathematics with additional eligibility have a golden chance to apply for Bpsc, that is Bpsc Assistant Audit Officer Recruitment 2021. Now for this notification, the notification details of Assistant Audit Officer Recruitment 2021 I'm going to give you out here. The advertisement number was 05/2021. Important date for Bpsc Assistant Audit Officer Recruitment 2021. The last date to apply or for the last date for submission of the application is the end of June. Now coming to the job summary, the notification is released by Bpsc Recruitment Board 2021. Notification is out for Assistant Audit Officer post at bpsc.bih.nic.in. Notification was released in the month of April and the last date will be till June 2021. For the city of Patna in Bihar state and the country is obviously India, educational qualification required is graduate. Functional area will be accounting and audit. Now coming to the vacancy details of Bpsc Assistant Audit Officer Recruitment 2021 notification. Assistant Audit Officer has got 138 posts. Eligibility criteria Bpsc Assistant Audit Officer Recruitment according to the notification. The educational qualification required for this post is graduate, as I told you, with any one of the subjects including commerce or economics or statistics or maths from any recognized university. MBA Finance, CA, ICWA and CS certificates are eligible to apply for these posts. You can check the notification for details of the educational qualification of the post in the advertisement given. Now coming to how to apply for Bpsc Assistant Audit Officer Recruitment 2021. In a bid to apply for Bpsc Assistant Audit Officer Recruitment 2021 notification, the candidates or the applicants will have to visit the official website of the Commission, online bpsc.bihar.gov.in. Under the applying process, you will have to go to the online application section and read the recruitment notification and apply online for the recruitment examination. The last date for the an online application submission is, as I told you, the last date of June. So if you are an eligible candidate and you think this job opportunity is best for you, then without wasting time, go hurry up and grab the opportunity. There will not be any other extension. So this is the last date to apply. June is a very crucial month. You can apply for this if you think you are into the finance sector and you want a job into this sector. So this Bihar government job is a very desired and optimizing job. So I wish you all the best for your career. If you're applying for it, there will be other notifications out also, but this is a very nice job if you're a resident of Bihar and you are into the finance sector. So I wish you all the best for your career ahead. I hope you will get into your dream job and see yourself in as a successful person. So I will like to conclude my video here. Thank you for watching me out. Stay tuned for other notifications also, and I'll just hope that stay happy, stay home and stay safe. Concluding my video here. Thank you.